Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing some Jamaican cornmeal porridge. So let's get started. Allow the water to boil with the cinnamon leaves. So I'll be back. You can see the water is now boiling. The cinnamon leaves smell so good in it. So I'm going to be adding the cornmeal to this now. Okay, this is my cornmeal. It's a cup. So I'm going to add some water to it and mix it together, mix it out properly, because I don't want it to have any lump before putting it into the water that is boiling. Cornmeal is properly mixed, and I'm going to add it now to the water that is boiling. I'm going to continue to stir it. Don't want it to have any lump. So stir it until this is smooth. At this stage, I'm gonna add in some coconut milk that I have already prepared. So there goes coconut milk. I'm gonna stir this in. I don't want it to have any lumps, so stir it in properly, and then I'm gonna cover it a little more for it to cook with the milk. We'll be adding a little nutmeg with some cinnamon, and then I'm gonna mix this. Stir this. Vanilla. Stir this in. You can add a little salt to taste. Continue to stir, because we don't want any lump to be in our porridge, so stir frequently. Cover it now and allow the cornmeal to cook. And constantly stirring. Frequently stirring your porridge, guys. You don't want it to stick at the bottom. That's so good. And it's not done as it. If it's getting too thick, you can add some hot water and then stir it again and allow it to cook. Guys, porridge is now ready to be sweetened. Porridge is now sweetened. I've used some Betty sweetened milk and a little sugar. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to use anything sweet. You can sweeten it with regular milk or whatever you want. Sweeten to taste. Guys, here is the finished product. Cornmeal porridge. I'm gonna have it with some crackers. Happy cooking! Remember to like this video, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.